The U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service and the Wolf Conservation Center estimate there are only 45, maybe 60 wild red wolves remaining, with nearly 200 in captivity.
The local nature center is doing everything it can to keep that species from going extinct. Brittany Beggs tells us how they're helping keep the breed alive.
There are 6 red wolves at the Reflection Riding Arboretum and Nature Center, 3 males and 3 females, and the end of this month is also the end of breeding season.
We're one of only 44 facilities in the country that house red wolves. We are a breeding and exhibit facility and have been part of the Red Wolf Species Survival Plan since 1996.
This year, the center has selected Harper, the male 14, and Sequoia, the female 7, to breed. Last year, they tried the 2 and were unsuccessful. Identifying if they've mated this year is nearly impossible to tell.
And wolves don't indicate that they're pregnant, so we won't know if we have puppies until they're on the ground.
If Sequoia is pregnant, the gestation period or term is only 63 days, and the pups will arrive in either April or May. But for now, it's a waiting game. In order to support the red wolves, they began the Save the Red Wolf campaign, selling T-shirts through April 1st. New President Mark McKnight says the money they collect will go straight to the wolves.
And then at the end of it, we just get a check. And so we're hoping to sell 300 shirts, which would feed the wolves for about a year.
Mark McKnight says the ultimate goal, though, is to get them back into the wild, working with other groups part of Species Survival Plan, or SSP.
This plan was to actually pull them out of the wild because they were going extinct.
McKnight says working with other groups part of SSP, they can swap and make sure the DNA continues to be as diverse as it can before hopefully releasing the breed back into the wild. Reporting in the studio, meteorologist Brittany Beggs, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.
Yeah, every Saturday from 11 until noon, they talk about the red wolf. And at noon, they hand out raw meat to those who want to feed the wolves. As of today, they have sold 91 Save the Red Wolf T-shirts. The goal is to reach 300 by this Sunday. You can read more about it inside the WRCB app.